大家好，今次會分享一下 Skull Panda 花的四幕戲系列嘅抽盒手感。呢一套用咗莎士比亞嘅4套名著為藍本，再用花草為載體，呈現咗時間、生命同埋命運嘅交織，再一次帶俾我哋驚豔嘅感覺。而家就等我哋分開4個主題，一齊嚟逐個欣賞下。Hi everyone, I'm glad to share with you the tips of Skull Panda, the petals in 4X series figures. Guided by the themes of the 4 Shakespeare's masterpieces, let's have a look together. 第一章《仲夏夜之夢》A Midsummer Night's Dream。喺精靈的把戲入邊，呢一個調皮嘅山楂花小仙子，手裏邊捧住一粒透明嘅心形露珠，佢屬於中等重量，底座配件係分開㗎，所以搖嘅時候有機會會 feel 到大盒，四面搖嘅空間就相對細。The various trick is medium weight. The base hits the box when you shake it vertically, but there's only little movements when you shake it laterally. 待放的預言係一朵紫色嘅三色堇 ，Skull Panda 閉上雙眼，靜靜咁俾花瓣環抱住。佢係全系列最重嘅，上下搖只要有少少嘅空間，四面搖唔喐。無論係造型定係顏色嘅配搭都恰到好處，佢係我最中意嘅一款。The budding fable is the heaviest one. There's only little movement when you shake it vertically, but no movement when you shake it laterally. 攀擁而上就好似常春藤盤繞住橡樹咁，係柔軟係依賴，整體泛住金色嘅珠光，配合埋 Skull Panda 高冷嘅表情，塊葉半遮住面頰，盡顯神秘。呢一款屬於中等重量，佢6面搖都有空間，亦都能夠感覺到配件大盒。The fatal entwining is medium weight. There's some movement when you shake it in any direction. The accessory hits the box. 第二章羅密歐與朱麗葉 Romeo and Juliet。燈芯草為夜晚嘅邂逅鋪就咗舞池，羅密歐同埋朱麗葉就喺呢度相遇啦。Skull Panda 伸出手，坐喺漸變淺金色半透明嘅葉片上面，彷彿邀你共舞。佢都係中等重量，上下搖有明顯嘅空間，四面搖有空間同埋有大盒感。For the invitation of light, there's significant movement when you shake it vertically, and some movement when you shake it laterally, and the figure hits the box. 灼燒的長夜，佢嘅造型係一朵紫色嘅烏頭，羅密歐就係用佢嚟結束咗生命。Skull Panda 頂帽用咗石頭漆去上色，而裙擺就用咗半透深紫色嘅材質。微微捲曲嘅裙邊就好似被灼燒過咁，交織住痛苦與浪漫。The burning gloom is heavy. There's only little movements when you shake it vertically. The figure protrudes the lower parts of the lateral sides of the box. 獻給誓約係一朵盛開嘅玫瑰，朱麗葉嚟用佢比喻愛情。玫瑰嘅本體用咗植絨材質去做，連底座都係一束束玫瑰嚟㗎，背後仲有深綠色嘅緞帶。呢一款都係好重嘅，佢6面搖都有明顯嘅空間，而且大盒感重。The vow is heavy too. There is significant movement when you shake it in any direction, and the figure hits the box strongly. 跟住落嚟會介紹哈姆雷特 Hamlet。喺褪色的天真呢一款入邊，我最欣賞就係佢有繁複花卉圖案紋理嘅裙擺。有蝴蝶嘅點綴、漸層嘅塗裝 ，Skull Panda 眼裏邊有小葉子，手捧住初菊，彷彿好似托住最後一片純真。For the width of innocence, there is significant movement when you shake it vertically. The figure hits the box strongly when you shake it laterally. 紫羅蘭象徵住忠貞與落敗。而溺水的花環呢一款 Skull Panda 嘅造型就係哈姆雷特入邊奧菲利亞跌落水入邊嘅瞬間定格。隨住佢嘅隕落，所有嘢都沉沒咗喺冰冷嘅河水入邊。佢係比較容易分辨嘅一款，因為全系列入邊最輕嘅就係佢啦。6面搖都會有空間，而前後嘅空間相對會多少少。The lightest one is the submerged width. There's little movement when you shake it vertically and in a left-right direction.There's relatively more room when shaken forth and back. 流豆菜象徵虛偽與背叛，喺哈姆雷特入邊，佢係奧菲利亞揭露權欲與虛情嘅證物。呢款 Skull Panda 輕輕抬起手，指證背叛嘅罪行。 佢嘅手感同重量同某幾款好相近，都係6面搖有空間。The knee-jerk weirdness is medium weight. There's little movement when you shake it in any direction. 最後就係馬克白 Macbeth。喺馬克白入邊，佢形容自己嘅生命就好似一片飄落嘅黃葉。喺枯敗將至呢一款入邊，枯葉咁嘅皇冠、盔甲同埋披風都呈現到生命枯敗嘅模樣。半透明嘅面具就好似殘破嘅靈魂咁，將權力嘅隕落表現得淋漓盡致。呢一款都係中等重量，上下搖有輕微晃動空間，四面搖有打合感。The decay awaited is medium weight. There's only minimal movement when you shake it vertically. The figure hits the box when you shake it laterally. 而冠冕的餘燼呢一個係表達咗馬克白夫人由野心巔峰到精神崩潰嘅狀態，因為佢到最後都未能夠戴上合法嘅皇后之冠。Skull Panda 嘅眼神比較空洞，公仔整體以白色為主調，手部同埋頸部好似血咁嘅花瓣飛舞住，而身上嘅裙擺就破爛不堪，就好似野心燃盡之後嘅灰燼咁。For the crown in actions, it's medium weight. There's only minimal movement when she kicks in the top down and left-right direction. But the movement is more significant when she kicks forth and back. 最後就係終章三重奏 ，Skull Panda 化身成為3朵曼陀羅。佢哋唔單止係預言嘅詠唱者，更加係幕後命運嘅推手。最鮮豔嘅一朵象徵住權力嘅降臨，另一朵象徵住危險逼近。最後一朵象徵住終局嘅崩塌。雖然有3個公仔，但係呢一款並唔重啊，3個係可以獨立拆卸嘅，所以搖嘅時候偏滿，上下只會有輕微嘅晃動空間，四面搖唔喐。For the threefold requiem, it's medium weight and full. There's only minimal movement when you shake it vertically, and no movement when you shake it laterally. 而隱藏款就係時間裏的花像。Skull Panda 每一個系列嘅設計都真係花盡心思，大家鍾唔鍾意呢一套啊？歡迎留言話俾我聽。The secret is named as the Chronos Gardener. If you want to know more about it, feel free to click the link in the comments. Thank you so much.